Okay, today we are going to test the Digikeijs central station with two different throttles. The first is the Lenz LH100 and the second one is the multi-mouse from Fleischmann or Roco. The Roco one is red, the Fleischmann is gray. Both are exactly the same product. So um, it's absolutely the same thing. Uh, in following videos, we will show you how the Digikeijs central station is working with this one. This is the Digitrax DT402D. I already did it, and it is working with absolutely no problem, except for the multi-unit, because I don't know why, but when I'm trying to do a multi-unit, is not working. But all the rest is working flawlessly. So let's check it out. This is one of the first tests that I do with um, this multi-mouse from Roco and Fleischmann. As you can see, it is working perfect. This is probably the most cheaper alternative for the Digikeijs Digital Central. This throttle is very cheap. It's not very popular in the States, but it's very popular all the rest of the world, because a lot of starter sets from Roco and Fleischmann's are coming with this multi-mouse, and on eBay a lot of people is selling it separately, so it is quite cheap. I have seen this multi-mouse for about 30 or 40 euros, so I don't see I don't see any other throttle at this price point with a nice display and all the buttons here with all the functions available immediately. The only thing I really don't like is this um, speed dial, which is very short. As you can see, the it only ends here if you go to this direction, and it will end here if you go to the opposite direction. So what is the problem about it? It's when you try to really have a very smooth acceleration in a locomotive, this is not going step by step like a Digitrack or a Lenz control. This is probably, I don't know, going every 2 steps, so sometimes can be not that smooth in the acceleration and as the other brands. But if you put a decent amount of momentum in the decoder, there is no problem about it. So as you can see, no problem, everything works perfect with the multi-mouse. Okay, now we have the Lenz LH100, and yeah, it is clearly very smooth. It's going step by step without a problem. Yeah, this is 2-axle locomotive, so sometimes some dirt in the track can provoke a stop. But yeah, works perfect. So no problem whatsoever with the Digikeijs central station and Lenz gear. Actually, the multi-mouse gear is what it was designed by Lenz, so it is the same technology. So yeah, it works. So you can combine Lenz and this Roco throttle or Flashman throttle with the Digikeijs central station with no problem. I will show in the following videos how this central can be controlled with a computer, because it was designed to work together with a computer. So the software that it comes with with the central is pretty good. So I will show you how it's going to work with it, and of course we will show the how it works with the Digitrax gear. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we will see you next time. Bye bye.